The key to a beautiful finish is the way it starts. And when it comes to building a house, it's all about the preparation. And that preparation is the foundation and the framework. And you know what? Whilst it's not a DIY project, it's really interesting to see where it all begins. So come on, let's check it out. Foundations are fundamental to any good home, and the most common type of foundation with new builds these days is a concrete slab. Now, there's definitely a science to getting them right. Equally as important is the frame. What we're seeing more and more of these days, and what's becoming more common, are house frames that are made from Truecore steel. And for good reason. They're strong, durable, and they'll give your house the inner strength that they need. Frames made from Truecore steel are consistently straight and won't shrink, twist or warp over time. So there's less chance of jamming doors, sticking windows or wavy roof lines. Termites and borers are a problem in Australia, but with a frame made from Truecore steel, they're 100% termite and borer proof, so you don't have to worry. Its impressive strength to weight ratio allows for long spans and flexible designs, helping builders create contemporary open plan homes to suit today's modern design trends. And one of the best things about a house frame made from Truecore steel is that they're prefabricated, they're lightweight, and a house frame like this easily goes up in a day.